guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video I showed you the unboxing of Savi's Activex Digital Body Fat Scale. So in today's video, after using it for almost 2 months now, I'm going to give you the review of that product. So first of all, what I really like about this product, it is very sleek and it looks really cool. It is very lightweight, it is very easy to carry, you can carry it anywhere you want. And the one thing which you need to be little careful is that where you store it, because you don't want to accidentally drop it. So it is made of toughened glass, but still be little careful. The best part about this product is that you can integrate it with an app. So there is an app available called Activex, which you will find for Android and also for Apple. So you can download the app, and then in my last video I got many queries that people are finding it hard to connect to this device. But let me tell you, it's really very easy. You just need to download the app and then you can feed your personal details like your weight, your date of birth, your height, and also your email ID and all these kind of details. When you feed all these details, then you will get directed towards the home page. Now what you need to do in your mobile is just you have to switch on your Bluetooth and also your location. So both Bluetooth and location needs to be on at the same time, and then just keep in some stable ground, just keep the product, and then when you step on it, you'll see that your weight is automatically getting integrated with the app. So you can check your weight in the app also, and then you can also track your weight as well. So you can track it on a daily basis. Some people like to track it daily, and also on a weekly basis. I always try to track my weight weekly, and then also you can track your weight monthly. So there are 3 types of tracking available which you can track your weight on. 16 people, up to 16 people can use this device. That's really best part about it, which I felt, because if you have a group of people who are using the same device, you can use it. If you have a big family, you can use it. Even in gyms, people can use it. Maximum I have tried is for 4 people, so I didn't find any issues. All 4 people can track their weight simultaneously, and they can also get the monthly, weekly data, so there is no problem. This device helps you track your weight, body mass index, and also your metabolic age. Suppose you are 22, but according to your body weight and your current age, it will tell you that because of that you have a body of a 27-year-old. So that will really scare you, and it will motivate to achieve your goal more. And also you can keep your goal weight also. So when you're tracking your weight, you can, if you keep your goal weight, it will help you push forward that yes, I want to achieve this particular goal. Okay, so that is also a good thing. And you can also integrate this Activex app with Google Fit and Fitbit. So in that way you can also track your sleep details and also your workout details. So that is also really good. So now in last video also I told you that there are in total 13 parameters, but I'm really not sure about the accuracy of all 13, so I'm not going to really comment about it. But as it comes to weight, the accuracy is really good. So I don't have any complaints about the accuracy. One more thing which I forgot to tell you is that when you step on the Activex product, that time you need to wait for some time so that the weight gets integrated with the app. It takes hardly like some seconds only, but just wait for that. You will get a sound. Some sound is there which will help you know that okay, it got integrated with the app. Okay. And one more cool thing which I'm going to tell you is that if you buy it from Activex original website and use my code ThinkBig20, you will get a 20% off on this product. So guys, what I'm trying to tell you is that after using it for 2 months now, I don't have a single complaint regarding this. You can also use my code ThinkBig20 to get the 20% off. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you really like my video, just hit the like button. And also if you find that this video can be relevant to someone, you can always share the video with someone. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Let me see you in the next video.